Hi, my name is Bushra Keramane, and I spent this summer as a buying intern for Burlington stores in their infant girl apparel department. In this position, I assisted my team on day-to-day tasks such as writing purchase orders, analyzing reports, and comp shopping to see competitor assortments. And I'll include a few pictures over here so that you can see me doing that over the summer. I found this internship on LinkedIn, and the first round of the interviews was pre-recorded interview questions, and then after that I interviewed over Zoom with a recruiter named Marielle, and she called me the same day to offer me the position. And the most enjoyable part of this internship was the full immersion into the retail industry that I experienced. I really learned a lot, and three of the most important things I learned would be to build teams and relationships, stay diligent, and to never stop working towards growth. And to future interns, I would advise just to not be afraid to speak up and ask questions. Don't let nerves get in the way of you making an impact on other professionals. Thank you.